Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're doing a little toolbox beautification thanks to Olsa Tools. So we got ourselves some nice socket trays. Now these are a 3-piece. We'll have the 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 inch SAE metric, and then we also have our screwdriver rack for the work cart. So I'll show you what I got and what we're gonna do. Inside this big drawer, we're gonna do a little bit with this area. Boom. Like I said, absolute magic. Look how much my box is cleaned up with those, right? Nice big numbers, nice and easy to see. And here's the best part. So these are magnetic. I mean, you can take these right up to your job, and look at that. Hold your sockets in place. So if you guys are looking for an easy, great storage solution, these are it for you. That's for sure. I'm gonna have to get a couple more, I think, though, because I still got more sockets. Plus, I got some empty spaces I'm gonna have to fill up. Otherwise, she is looking good, and the Joker colors are bang on. Then we're gonna do a little something with this area. Boom. There she is, guys. Look at that. Cleans up real nice. So I got all my 1/4 inch stuff here. I got all my deep sockets that I use on a daily basis here. And as you can see, I got some empty spaces I gotta fill now. And then all my screwdrivers are nicely organized on there. And sticks pretty good. So